All right, here we are back again. Got all the stuff out of the big box, and now it's time to start opening up some of these actual pieces. So I'm going to slide some of this off to the side, and let's start with the camera itself. Like I was saying, I just love how it's in the clear case. Just begging you to buy it. We got these online. We were trying to decide between like a reseller or right off a GoPro, but when you go from GoPro, it was essentially the same price. And then also you get some warranty things, and we also ended up getting GoPro Plus, which is a yearly subscription program. It's like a warranty program and free cloud storage, and storage is an issue that I'm always dealing with. So I got a little pull here to pull on this to open it up. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see. There it comes. All right, so the every one of these cameras goes with these thumb screws. This is kind of the bread and butter of the mounting system. You just thumb screw it off, and then it'll lift right off. So these right here, these are the little arms that I was talking about, and they just fold right in to the actual body of the camera. So where before you put it in a plastic thing, kind of like this, that was, of course, perfect purpose designed to go in there, but with these you can just flip them down, and there's no extra case that you have to worry about. So that's pretty nice, and then it just slides on whatever your mount is, and then thumb screw. And there it is. So, I mean, even this box is an upgraded, it's an upgraded tripod or camera stand than the one that I showed in the last video. All right, so let's see what's in this box. Put that right there. Okay, so there's some rubber here to, I don't know, probably make it less likely to so that's just a release, like on a backpack or any kind of quick release thing like this, where you just snap it in, and then this little rubber piece here will make it so that it won't accidentally go. It's a little stopper, so you have to pull that up. That's cool. And let's see what's in this box. Got some manuals, some instructions for the batteries. One of the things, and okay, what else? Yep, so there's a battery, USB, it's a charging, I think. And one of the things that they have on a lot of these or a lot of the mounts are these 3M sticky mounts. A lot of them are based on that. I don't know if you're gonna... I always thought it was weird that you would just stick a mount to something. But what do I know? I'll find out. I'll have to read through that. One of the weird or interesting things about GoPros is that right out of the box, you're supposed to update the firmware. And so I need to get this inside and plug it in to my computer so I can do that update. I think one of the things you get with that first update is the Hyper Smooth 2.0, which is the super smooth motion dampening software. All right, so that's the camera. What should we do next? How about the Chesty? This is one that doesn't come with the camera, but we decided to get it because of all the bike riding I do, and let's just see, is that right there. And the other cool thing, if you have GoPro Plus, then all the mounts and accessories are 50% off. So I ended up paying about the same that you could get like a knockoff or consumer copy version of the actual Chesty. I got it for the same price as the Chesty itself, and they've really engineered it to be comfortable and to make it adjustable. All right, so I'm just opening it up here. All right, I could have read the arrows, but basically it's got the quick release system again, and so I'll lift up the rubber stopper, slide that in, put it down, and easy for me to say. Oh, there it is, had to snap in. And then, just like with the thumb screw, put it on. Gotta get the holes lined. There they go. Alright, I'm trying to do that left-handed. I'm going to do it right-handed. There we go. So now that's on there, I can adjust the angle. I can go straight forward. I could flip this whole works upside down and then get some of those super popular shots of my face riding the bike, which I know you all like. So then it's like this, sitting right here, and then you'd be like, oh wow, Ben's really sweating today. And then, all right, so then the whole thing works like a vest. So you slip this on, it's all adjustable. All right, so there it is. Battery died. So I got that charging up again, and not sure what got cut off, but basically the end conclusion of the Chesty is that I'm pumped. I like it. Now, this is a head strap with a quick clip. This is one of the things that comes with like the standard bundle. And check that out. So tons of thumb screws. We were wondering if we should buy extra thumb screws, but it seems like we're gonna have plenty because you only have one camera. But it looks like this is a little goofy thing that I didn't realize it had. Put this in here. And then you can clip it onto your hat. That's hilarious. The real one is this. So you can put this on a helmet or your head. It's a little bit more stable than a hat clip. And you, look at that, another camera mount. Put it on like that, and then it just goes in. Super, I can max out the adjustment so I could put that on my helmet. Or I could actually, now it's all becoming clear. Remember the plastic thing, I could just, or the sticky, I could stick this mount to my helmet, pop that on. All right, so finally, I figured out a use for the sticky mounts. All right, what else? It's just another battery, same as this. Really nice to have that second battery, but oh yeah. Let's see. This one is pretty, also comes with the standard kind of pack. This is the Shorty. It's a tripod, mini extension pole, selfie stick sort of thing. And this is the whole deal. This is it. Tiny little packable. Could see putting that in a little in the back pocket of a bike jersey or something. That's cool. Super stable. Another way to hold the camera. And then it extends somehow. Oh, it's like a friction thing. So it extends. Oh, telescoping. Look at that. All the way down there. So super compact. Telescopes up to here. Tripoded out. And now I can do my unboxings with the camera right there, just right in my face, or what, you know. You guys know the deal. All right. So that's cool. Got that little Shorty. Leave that right there. Got all these little clips and mounts, lots of thumb screws. All right, so I'll open up this one. This is a tempered glass lens screen protector. Kind of like, this is what we put on all of our phones. It's way better for this little thin piece of glass to get broken than the actual screen. So I'm not going to take them out right now, but it looks like you might get 2 of each, which is nice. Just thin little pieces of glass to go on the rear display screen, and then the front actual camera lens. All right, and then I think this is the last thing. Oh, this is just a memory card. I'm not going to open that up. Definitely not enough to store lots of things on. I might end up getting a bigger memory card or a second one depending on how long I'm out. But this is another one that does not come standard. It's the Jaws and flexible, what does it say? Jaws flex clamp. So let's see. On the back here, they've got it hooked up to a drum set. I don't play the drums or really any musical instruments well or consistently. So I think I'll probably be clamping it to something else. But let's see, this is the clamp. Ooh, it's got, looks like you can lock it on there. Interesting. Oh, okay, so you can actually tighten it down. It's got this strap that you can make it tighter. So if I was going to put it on a bar like this, I could actually tighten that down. Oh, and then it just changes the amount or the diameter of the bar you can connect to. That's really cool. And then it loosens all the way as well. It's really pretty strong clamp, which is nice. You don't want your GoPro falling off. And then this is another clamp. So let's say, or it's a flexible deal. So stick this into here. It's got the quick release, and then I just clamp it right here to the table, and then the GoPro just slips right on with another quick release. So that's everything. Whew, I am pumped. think I'll go on a bike ride tomorrow. Or maybe tomorrow's Sunday, so maybe we'll bring it out on the on our family hike. Hopefully we get out there. It's a big day. It's a new era. It's the GoPro era. I'm really pumped. Hopefully the footage is better. More angles. I'm excited. I just don't know more to say about that. All right. See you later.